Hi guys, so lovely to have you here finally.
Good to
Thank
be
you.
here. Thank you so much.
I'm super excited to kind of dive into your journey as content creators. How has it been, this whole journey from, 6 years ago, 7 years ago to like now?
I think for everyone, initially when we started, none of us were, sure about how big this would get in the future. So it actually started off as a hobby,
Yeah.
and it
It is.
actually, but it has turned into a profession as well, which we
Yeah.
are so happy. And I think the whole journey has been very interesting for all of us because we were not sure where it's going to, get us, but it did get us somewhere, and we're quite happy with the results.
Yeah. We started in 2016. Now it's 2024. So 8 years of content
Yeah,
creation. It's been a long
it's
time,
a very
but
long
a really
journey.
fun journey. We have learned a lot of stuff.
What has been the best experience for you guys as influencers and content creators?
I think the whole journey has been an experience for us. Every single day is a new learning. Working with so many different brands has been a new learning for us, and meeting so many new people has been a new learning for us. So the whole journey has been very interesting and very unique.
On the same brand note, what has been the craziest brand collab you guys have done?
A lot, I
Yeah,
think.
so
I
Like
many.
the
mean,
craziest, the best one.
all the sports collab that I did because I'm a
Yeah.
big time sports lover. So I went to watch Formula One race. I went for La Liga. So I've done a lot of sports collabs. So for me, that has been my favorite collabs.
As well. I think the Formula One collab was like really the highlight of my life. Meeting my Ferrari boys
Yeah.
Oh my
has
god,
been the
that went
highlight of my life.
viral on
Yeah.
Instagram. That kind of
Yeah.
broke
Yeah.
Instagram for a day.
No, but yes, that was a very surreal experience. Like
Yeah.
I don't think I can put words to it.
You guys started off as friends. You guys used to post videos where sometimes you all would like hint at maybe there's something more, but it was always like friendship. You guys
Yeah.
would clarify in your YouTube videos and all of that. But end में तो you all have ended up together.
Yeah.
कैसे हुआ ये?
It was very slowly वो friendship के through ही पहले तो normal friends थे then
Yeah.
फिर बहुत अच्छे friends बने फिर best friends बने एक time पे I was just talking to उन्नति that's it तो वो फिर वो slowly इतना gradually बड़ा bond उसके बाद वो पता ही नहीं लगा कि कब convert हो गया relationship में it was very slowly but होती ना
Yeah.
सारी slowly जब चीजें होती हैं तो वो बहुत strong pillar बनता है तो वैसा ही
स्ट्रॉन्ग
it
होता है उस चीज
happened
You guys have been content creators separately, individually, and together now. Y'all are posting so
Yeah.
many couple videos, which are so adorable. Love it.
Thank you.
I mean, I guess I want to ask you, going forward in the future, what do you think is changing and what is the coming trends and
I think the more authentic you are to yourself, and I think the more personal you are with your content, is going to connect with the audience more.
Yeah.
Rather than just creating a piece of content that you think might do just well on various different platforms. I think
Yeah.
that personal connect, personal touch is very important with whatever you're creating.
We have been very good with that.
Yeah.
Like we have been very loyal to our fans. Our fans have been very loyal to us. That's a very strong connection
Yeah.
between our fans. Like they know everything about us. We also know a lot of things about our
Yeah.
fan pages. So that's how you build relationship with them, and that's again a very slow procedure. And talking about trends also, you can't predict. Like one thing
Yeah.
getting viral today, it might not work
Yeah.
tomorrow. So it's a process that you can't predict, but you have to be in the picture, have to be relevant in a very organic way. Like you don't have to be fake with your followers. You have to be
Yeah.
very organic, real, and I think everything will work if you are real with your followers.
I feel like with most users who try to become influencers, they can't get over like that cringe phase where they cringe at themselves कि क्या हो रहा है. What would you tell them? How would you kind of guide users to like becoming content creators or following their dreams in this path?
Now content creation is the king, social media is everywhere, so you have to believe in yourself. And that cringe part, people will say, like when you will start posting about it too, you'll get the comments, but you have to believe in yourself and keep on going.
I think the confidence of just being posting about your life on
Mhm.
social media is the first step. Like you need to be open about, you need to be sure about posting about your entire life on social media. That's
Yeah.
the very first step, being a content creator. Also, the cringe content part, of course, like we also initially started with all of that, but remapping ourselves on the whole content creation was very necessary for us as
Yeah.
well. Shifting audiences from different platforms back to our various different platforms that are working right now was also a main task for us as content creators. I think audience shifted with us because we were so real with them and because they liked us.
Yeah.
So that was the main point as well. So that connect with your audience is really necessary. You need to build a whole community for yourself so that they follow you wherever you are, no matter what platform you're on.
And I think at that time जो cringe content था, that was the trend at
Yeah.
that time. अगर
Yeah.
हम वो follow ही नहीं करते,
Then we would have
Yeah.
this-
Y'all wouldn't be
yeah,
here.
yeah,
exactly.
yeah.
How do you guys kind of deal with the hate comments or like the trolling that comes your way for literally just doing your
Sometimes
own
it's
thing?
very difficult, but
Yeah.
the thing that we have in ourselves is that we share it with each other. Like we have a group, so I talk to her, she talks to me, and then we have a lot of other friends also. Sometimes when you are alone, it's difficult.
Yeah.
Like I've seen a lot of individual creators stop making content because of the hate they get. So sometimes it's definitely difficult. People really get very harsh on social
yeah.
media and they don't think about people's individual life or what they are going through in their personal life. Sometimes it's difficult, but again you have to talk through someone, your agency, your friends or someone, and then you feel a little lighter.
8 years into the content creation game, are you at a place where you can say कि हाँ अभी I don't need to follow every single thing, whatever I can do is fine?
Sometimes we feel that, but sometimes we don't feel that. Sometimes
Yeah.
we feel that we need to a day we miss posting on our platforms is a day that we're left behind. I think it's a constant race that we are in, and to
Yeah.
be where we are right now, you need to constantly be at the top of your game.
But you guys have that little luxury कि I can skip a trend or two.
You can
Yeah,
say
maybe,
that
yes,
because
yes.
we have been doing it.
Yeah.
Yeah, y'all
from
are
8 years.
certified OGs now,
Yeah,
so it's
but
okay.
people who are just starting, for them, they'll have to like go with the trends. That's
On
what
that
it is.
note,
Yeah.
can you give our viewers some advice on how to become a content creator? Because it is a viable profession now.
The starting phase, they'll have to do something very different to get noticed. Like if you make one reel in 1 month, but it has to be a banger. Like people notice you. Like what is this? This is so funny, and people are like, when are you posting next? It has to be quality content, and when people start noticing you, then you can go like 5-6 videos in a month, or if you can make more. So you in the starting you'll have to be very very attractive with your content. So that is the first point. Then when you start getting your fame, then you can be very consistent. Now consistency to we to always say
Yeah.
consistency is very important for us, so it has been the main factor.
Yeah.
From 8 years daily we are posting something, that's the peak of consistency, I think. So that's again very important, and in content creation again luck is also very important.
Yeah.
Sometimes your blooper will get viral, you never know, anything get viral at this point. So luck is very important, consistency and the quality factor with your content, that's definitely gonna help.
I think the same goes for me as well. Like I mentioned earlier, being confident with whatever you're posting, like not being hesitant about your
Yeah.
own content is the very first step of,
Yeah.
posting anything on social media. So, yes, that and all of the things that you mentioned earlier.
So, with many influencers kind of going into Bollywood, is there any plans for you guys?
So I don't know.
If an opportunity pops up.
We'd love to. अभी तक तो कोई ऐसा plan नहीं है, but in the
Yeah.
future you never know.
Maybe.
Anyone you guys want to work with? Manifest it, put it out
He
there.
has a manifestation of working with Deepika.
Deepika Padukone.
I think you should make a request abhi only.
Hi ma'am, please work with me.
Yes, hall pass.
But yeah, I love to work with Deepika Padukone. And you also have some people in mind you
Bindas
want to
bolo,
work with.
please say.
We both love Salman and Shah Rukh.
Oh,
So
yeah. I thought they were out of the list, out of the question, but
Why
if
not?
If you're popping it in the air, then why
Why
not?
not? Yeah,
Salman and Shah
I
Rukh,
think you
yes.
should manifest it. Put it out in the universe.
Yeah. We to keep on watching Salman Bhai ki reels.
Oh God, they are my favorite.
We
They
love
are my
it. We love it.
Absolute
His
favorite.
that 90s videos.
Yeah,
We love
the
it. Keep on
chocolate
sharing
boy
all the
era.
videos.
Oh God,
Too good.
yeah.
On that note, I'm so glad I got to sit down with you guys and kind
Yeah.
of get a glimpse into content creation from your lens. I think it was very educational for our viewers also. We learned a lot about you guys, which I love. So
Thank
really
you.
thank you guys for
Thank
joining
you,
us
Thank you
of
for
course.
having us.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.